Hello, my awesome buddies. IQ Splash is back with a brand new emoji challenge. This time, your mission is to guess the word using only emojis. Think you can handle it? You'll face 20 fun puzzles, and you'll have only 10 seconds to solve each one. Stay focused, think fast, and let's see how many you get right. Now, don't forget to subscribe, and let's jump right in. Take your best guess. Duolingo. What could this word be? That sunglass is looking cool already. It's a pineapple. This one looks familiar. Can you solve it? It's a fire truck ready for a rescue mission. What word are you thinking of? That word is football. Use these two emoji clue to find the answer. Rainbow jelly. Nice score, that's a peppermint. Can you uncover the word? Absolutely, it's Roblox. Let's keep on guessing. What's your answer? That's a mango, sweet and delicious. Can you solve this one? Correct, airplane. Does this word sound familiar? Sun chips. Can you spot the hidden word? Perfect answer, snowflake. It's Snapchat. What word are these emojis leading you to? Yes, a snowy mountain. That's the answer. Do you recognize this emoji combination? An eggplant. Notebook. Great job. A classic school essential. Here's another one. What's your guess? Excellent, it's Pizza Hut. Who's hungry now? Next up, you can the word. Definitely SpongeBob. Ready for another name the word? Salty fries. You totally got it. What word do these emoji clues reveal? That's seahorse, one of the ocean's coolest creatures.